Okay, so now let's go in and actually put a little name tag here, which is the reason we put this space in here in the first place. So I've kind of done some research, and remember, a great place for doing research is to go to fontsanduse.com. So I'm just opening that up right now, and we can take a look to see if there's any trading cards. Okay, so we've got a few here. See that this one's using Harry. This one's using Franklin Gothic, which might be a really nice one. So this is always a great way to kind of get an idea of what different items are using here. I think what I'm going to use is Futura, bold. So first I'm just going to create a little square. Here. Create that square there, and now I'm just going to give it a fill. Kind of a similar kind of a yellowish color here. Something that, and we could even use maybe this to get the yellow here, and then maybe under brightness or saturation, I can just kind of bring that saturation down a little bit. There we go. Then we'll give this kind of a little circle around it. So let's go in, select this here, and same thing. I'm just going to go in, clicking on that. I'm going to get kind of that color there. And then maybe for the saturation, just maybe this time go a little bit darker with that. Let's look how that looks. Another great tip, if you want to get rid of all these guides, as long as you don't have anything in a text area, just pressing W will switch between preview and non-preview mode. So now I can kind of see with that guide there. Maybe I need to go down a little bit. I can also make sure that I have this centered using that little button up there. And we got to see what we're going to center it with. Align to page. So now, bloop, centered. And now we'll put some text in here. So I'm selecting my text, and then I'm just going to drag this out so that it fills that box. The name of this character is Ronnie. Right there. I'm going to center this, and then we'll bring him down here. So we'll just basically make sure this is kind of centered in the box. All right. Select all of that, and then I'm going to use that Futura. You can kind of just go through here and you'll get a whole bunch of different options. That doesn't look too bad. But I know for a fact that Franklin Gothic is right there. But I was this Futura bold here, I think, really works well. So we'll use that. There we go. Let's make it just a little bit bigger here. So we can go up here. Increase our size, and then once again we can change our color by double clicking here. I'm going to pull from these colors here, so click. You need to make sure that you keep this down and dragging. There we go. Let's see how that looks.